Wood crates aren't just for storage. They can be stacked, flipped, and painted to become stylish furniture too. Here's how a few crates can come together to make a bright and simple side table that works in almost any room. A couple of crates, a few cuts, and you've got a handy countertop storage solution. Perfect for keeping your fruits and veggies in reach while freeing up cabinet space. Paint a crate, add some hardware, and a soft cushion top, and suddenly, it's not just a crate. It's mobile storage and extra seating all in one. A hinged lid makes it easy to open, and the wheels let you roll it wherever you need it. Add chalkboard paint and wheels to turn a basic crate into a fun and functional organizer. Label it, roll it, and use it to keep shoes, scarves, or other outdoor gear neatly tucked away. By stacking and securing a few crates, you can build your own bar cart. Add a splash of color, some wood accents for style, and fill it with your favorite drinks and glassware for a DIY entertaining station that is ready to roll. Turn any napkin into art by adding them to a crate for a unique custom look. Peel apart the layers, then take Mod Podge to attach it to the crate. Once sealed, these crates can be used in so many ways, as wall shelves, plant stands, or even a cozy bed for your pet. It's an easy, creative upgrade with endless potential. Try taking your decoupage crates one step further by staining some wood and attaching the crates side by side. Add wheels to the bottom, then slide in a few baskets for hidden storage. Now you've got a stylish bench that is as functional as it is beautiful. Perfect for any entryway, playroom, or anywhere you need a little extra seating and storage.